Hey everyone, this is Christopher Small, and you are at The Art of Lawyering. Welcome. I wanted to make this little short video to tell you a little bit about The Art of Lawyering, to tell you a little bit about myself, and to help you find what you need on this site to start and build your successful law firm. So, me, who am I? Christopher Small. That's me on the screen. That is one of my Rich Life Lawyer show little snippets. I am an estate planning attorney. I own CMS Law Firm located in Seattle. I've done a whole bunch of different things, but I started at the beginning, just like you all. 2008. This is my first business card. As you can see, it's not exactly knocking the park out from the looks perspective, but I did start. I've been practicing for about 10 years. Started my first firm in 2008. You know, the downturn of the economy when everything is supposed to be just really terrible. I jumped out and started a firm, and I wanted to be able to build something for myself. I wanted to be able to create wealth. I wanted to be in charge of my life and my time, and that's why I did that. And I was pretty successful. Year one, I grossed about $107,000. Year two, got up to $175,000. Year three, $275,000. Year four, $375,000. Year five, $475,000. And then year six, $575,000. Now, before I get to the next slide, I want to tell you that what I've done recently is I have sold this firm, and I started a new one. The numbers that you see here on the screen are from my criminal defense and personal injury traffic defense law firm. I have since started an estate planning law firm at the very beginning of this year, technically in March of 2016. And I'm doing quite well already. The sky is the limit, and I'm super pumped about it. But I want to talk to you. The reason I did that is because I love starting and building businesses. And that's why this site was created. Essentially, this is my outlet for doing that. Now, how did I build this law firm, and how am I building this new law firm? I am a student of the game. All right. I consider myself a business owner first and a lawyer second. I love learning and understanding and kind of digging into SEO, search engine optimization, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, networking, social media, email marketing, direct mail. I love it all. I love learning about it. I love reading about it. I love teaching it. I love talking about it. I love thinking about it. I love it all. I am obsessed with learning how to build successful businesses. I've done it all. Read books, bought courses. I've been enrolled in masterminds. I've spent hundreds, probably of thousands of dollars learning how to do this correctly. And what's great about it is that I have my own laboratory. My laboratory is my law firm. I use my law firm to sort of test out all of these ideas that I'm learning, all these things that I see. And then I report back what's working and what isn't to you. That's why the Art of Lawyering exists. This is my outlet to report back on what's been going on and how I've done it. Now, I've done a lot of things right, and I've done a lot of things wrong. The reason I created this site was to let you know about both the right and the wrong things so that you can increase your learning curve. You know, when I started my firm, I looked around for resources on starting and building a law firm. And admittedly, there are quite a few resources out there today, but back in 2008, there was nothing. And there was nothing out there that talked about marketing specifically, about starting and building a successful business, about systems, about overcoming fear. Those are the things I like to talk about. So after doing this for 8 years, I came to several realizations. A traditional SEO is dead. What I mean by that is the kind that you pay for. Content is king. Content is the new SEO. I've learned that networking is exponential. I've learned that advertising does work and is critical to the success of your law firm. I've learned that follow-up is key, and I've learned that follow-through is required. Now, I took the hard way, right? I learned all this the hard way. I would hear of something that someone else was doing, usually outside of the law. I would Google it to see if it exists and works, to see if what these people were saying was actually true. I would then read everything I can about it and reverse engineer as much as I can to try to figure out how I can incorporate it into my own firm. I would then buy a course and go through it step by step. I would then implement it in my law firm and pray that it would work. Then I would wait a few months to see if it actually paid off in any tangible, measurable way. After those 8+ years, I discovered the hard way. Right? You get to cheat here at the Art of Lawyering and check out the easy way. So do you want the easy way to start and build a 6-figure law firm? And the reason I say this is the information that I talk about here is geared toward people that are starting a firm. It's also geared toward people that are struggling law firm owners. It's also geared toward people that are associates in law firm but are responsible or are expected to build their own book of business. There's no better leverage for you to have as an attorney in a law firm than the ability to generate your own business. So, are you interested in doing that? Perfect. It's all here at the Art of Lawyering. Now, what's different about the Art of Lawyering? What's different from many of the other sort of law firm marketing websites out there that you see? First things first, coaching law firm owners isn't my primary business. It's not what I do. I'm a law firm owner first, just like you. The information I'm giving you isn't theory. It isn't something I've read in a book. I'm using it to make money with my own law firm right now. I teach you what works for me. I teach you what doesn't work for me. I teach you the experiments that I'm doing so that you can get fast-tracked on your law firm success. Now, can a lot of the other gurus out there that are talking about starting a law firm and building a law firm, can they say the same thing? No, they can't. Most of them are law firm marketers first, which means they are teaching you things that they aren't implementing in their own business. In addition to being in the trenches on a daily basis, just like you, I don't hide the ball when it comes to success. I lay it all out there on the line. For me, it's all about 3 things: leads, conversions, profit. If you are new to the Art of Lawyering, welcome. This may be the first day of the best days of your life. If you are struggling to get your law firm off the ground or just starting, click the Start Here button up top to get an overview of my system. Then just go take a look around. There are hundreds of podcast episodes. There are hundreds of articles to read. And if you decide you want more, click the Join Here button to see what life is like inside of Law Firm Confidential. It's a place I created to pull the curtain back on what I do step by step to create successful law firms, and create a safe place for law firm owners to gather and share their successes, their failures, their ups and downs, and get help overcoming roadblocks. The one thing you must do, though, is sign up for my weekly email newsletter. It's free, it's packed with content, and there is nothing like it anywhere else. To get the newsletter, go to theartoflawyering.com/newsletter, put your name and email in there, and you'll start to get a bunch of amazing free information. That's it for now. Take a look around. If you have questions, email me, chris@theartoflawyering.com, and look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye.